Second video. Here guys, the second video now I will take into my friend Ryan Marsan to unload the 70 tons transformer, and the used cranes also 250 tons Sunny full counterweight. Now also moving the trailer. See, we have also balance. How many transformer? Also 2-piece transformer. Maybe other one finish, unload, and the second one also unloading. This one 71 tons transformer. See. Now unload. Other trailer go. Now rotation the transformer. Also the crane also swing, going to left. Night time also playing basketball. Tomorrow Mapi short also. Meaning also Mapi work. No working. Friday also holiday. Midnight I will playing basketball and billiard. After that, washing my clothes. One operator good. See, like that. Slowly but surely. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. We love you guys.